sa pananaw ng depensa on alleged fishing expedition, just for the guidance of Senator judges, this representation would like to clarify one procedural matter. We understand that the concern raised by the defense that this subpoena may be overly broad. And at the same time, we also recognize that the court has a duty naman to determine whether the records being sought are sufficiently relevant and material to the issues before us. So, Representative Joke, maaari po ba ninyong ipaliwanag kung paano ninyo tiniyak na ang hinihinging mga records ay hindi po simpleng paghahanap lamang ng posibleng ebidensya o tinatawag na fishing expedition, kundi ito po ay mga partikular na dokumento na sa tingin po ninyo ay meron pong malinaw at direktang kaugnayan dito po sa mga articles of impeachment.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ang hinihiling po namin sa mga subpoena ay kaugnay sa Article 2, which involves charges of unexplained wealth. Kung titingnan po natin yung mga jurisprudence pagdating sa unexplained wealth, klarong-klaro po na sinabi mismo ng Korte Suprema na kailangan makita yung buong larawan, hindi lamang po ng mga salin na finail ng isang lingkod bayan, kung hindi lahat ng kanyang kinita, both what we would call lawful and, if there is, illegitimate income. Ang salin po kasi ay parang snapshot lang po yan, year-end, kung ano yung mga assets, liabilities, and net worth ng isang government official. Ang ITR din po ay parang short video lang po yan ng mga transaksyon ng isang taxpayer sa kabuuan ng taon na yon. Makikita lang po natin yung buong larawan pag nailabas natin ang mga bank records. Kasi doon po yung day-to-day na lumabas at pumasok sa isang account ay mabubuo po natin. And in fact, in the case of DOF Rips versus Merencilia, ito lang pong portion ang babasahin ko. Sabing ganun ng Supreme Court, the failure of the complainant to take into consideration Respondent Rafael's net worth from the time he entered government service and the failure to take into consideration all of his possible sources of income in relation to his real and personal properties do not support the conclusion that he has unexplained wealth, considering that his true net worth was not determined. Ito po ay sabi ng Supreme Court, Ombudsman, hindi nyo nagawa yung inyong trabaho. Kaya ayaw po namin tumulad sa nangyari kay Ombudsman dito sa kasong ito. We want to see the entire picture. Kaya po namin hinihingi yung BIR records, pati yung mga bank records, and even the Anti-Money Laundering Council records, para makita po natin yung buong story as far as both the assets, liabilities, and net worth are concerned, and the lawful, and if there is unlawful income acquired by the respondent.